This student has a driving test coming up next week, and I had to be honest with her. She's not ready. She's been driving with friends trying to teach her. I demonstrated various steering methods with my prop steering wheel and had her turn the wheel while we were parked for about 20 minutes before starting around the neighborhood. She's trying, but nothing is working. This is a rather extreme example. You can see oversteer, understeer, and panic steer. This isn't to make fun of her. It's to show how common it is for novice drivers to struggle. Steering isn't just a physical skill. It's coordination, muscle memory, and confidence, all working together. At this point, she needs to slow down and review the fundamentals. Park the car and practice turning the wheel. Explaining or demonstrating while the student is driving does not help. What helps is calm repetition from a parked position, one turn at a time. Eliminate the distraction of driving and focus on drills. Reset the nerves. Why do beginners struggle with steering? No muscle memory, overthinking every move, poor spatial awareness, bad habits from untrained practice and poor instruction. This is not failure. That's just what early learning looks like. If you're a parent or friend trying to help someone learn, don't just say turn the wheel. Demonstrate. Slow down. Repeat. If it's not clicking after a few tries, stop. Learning to drive comes from a structured plan, a curriculum, patience, and consistent practice. Yelling at someone trying to learn makes things worse. Neither the learner nor the coach has to be perfect. Consistency is key. If you're struggling with steering, I have a comprehensive breakdown that guides you through the process step by step. Click the link on the screen or in the description to watch my steering techniques video. The video provides explanations of hand positions and steering methods, including hand over hand and push-pull techniques. Also, what the DMV looks for during the driving test. Check it out, comment, and ask questions. Keep practicing, keep improving.